In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jira or Atlassian account, or have an admin delete it for you, and explain what happens when you do. If you're using a managed account, such as one that's part of a company or organization, some options will be controlled by your admins, and it's essential to keep that in mind. Now let's dive into the process of deleting your own Atlassian or Jira account. If you possess an unmanaged Atlassian account, meaning it's not strictly overseen by a company or organization, you have the ability to delete it yourself. In doing so, you'll be removing your access and personal data, with a few exceptions that we'll discuss shortly. To get started, you'll need to sign in to your Atlassian or Atlassian ID account. You can do this by navigating to id.atlassian.com. Once you've logged in, head over to your account settings, and from there, proceed to Account Preferences. This is where you'll find the section labeled Delete Your Account. Pay close attention to this section. It's crucial to read through what will be deleted and what won't. For instance, while issues, comments, and project data remain intact, your personal profile data will be removed. This distinction is vital if you're concerned about what information is kept and what is removed. Once you've reviewed these details and are ready to proceed, you'll want to confirm the deletion. Keep in mind, however, that there's a 14-day grace period. During this time, your account is merely deactivated, which means it can still be restored should you change your mind. After these 14 days have passed, the deletion becomes permanent, and recovering your account won't be possible. It's worth mentioning that during this grace period, although your account is deactivated, you won't have access to it. This provides a buffer period in case you reconsider your decision. But do keep in mind that once the grace period ends, your access and data are non-retrievable. So make sure you're certain about your decision to permanently delete your account. By following these steps, you're effectively managing the data and content you have on Atlassian, ensuring that only the necessary information remains intact according to your needs. It's always a good idea to back up any essential data you might need before proceeding, though, as once the account is gone, recovering specific elements tied to your personal account will be impossible. That wraps up today's guide on how to delete your Atlassian or Jira account. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and comprehensive. Feel free to explore more of our how-to videos for additional guidance on managing your digital profiles effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.